says that fall should be gray and dull. Let's make it special, bright, positive, full of smiles and good mood. For the first autumn idea, take a waste bag and a bathroom curtain. Lay the curtain on a flat surface. Wow! What a bright print! Cut out a semicircle. Attach the edges and stitch them. Stretch a lace through the stitching. Fasten a lock at the end. A bright hood is ready. Fold the curtain in half and cut out another semicircle. Sew the hood to it. Take plastic spring hooks. Attach a spring hook to each corner. Fold the raincoat like this and put this edge in the purse. Attach with the hot glue gun. Carefully fold in the raincoat and zip up the bag. Has the weather gone bad? Not a problem! After all, there is a secret waterproof accessory in your waste bag. Ta-da! And you can walk right in the rain! The colorful raincoat will protect you from the bad weather and cheer you up as well as others. Brrr! It's getting cold, so it's time to get your favorite mug, an orange, some honey, and spices. Slice the orange. Cut an orange circle into 4 parts. Pour the orange slices into the mug. Add the spices: cinnamon, coriander, star anise, clove, and rose. Fill with boiling water. Mix and let infuse. Add a teaspoon of honey for sweetness. Decorate with an orange slice and definitely take 2 straws. For yourself and for a friend. Here's a life hack. To make the drink tastier, you should drink it wrapped in warm, fluffy plaid. And don't get burned. Delicious! What an unusual snag. Can it live with us? Of course! You just need to upgrade it a little bit. Paint the branch with golden spray paint. Now take autumn leaves, acrylic paint, and a sponge brush. Coat the leaves with golden paint. You get such a transformation! Collect metal rings and half rings. Fasten them to the branch with hot glue. Hang the chains. Decorate the composition with bright leaves. And you can stock up on clothespins because this decor can fit a lot of photos. Hang the photo branch on the wall. Warm memories of the past summer. Sometimes they warm up better than hot chocolate. For this idea, take pieces of felt and something you can't go without in autumn: warm slippers. Cut out multicolored autumn leaves from felt. Using the hot glue gun, attach the leaves to the slippers. Glue the whole surface of slippers over with leaves. Now you have not just slippers, but a whole autumn ikebana. It may be the gloomiest season outside, but if you can kick the bright autumn leaves at any time, that means it is not so bad. Before the heating is on in the house, everything around is like the icy castle of the Snow Queen. Hey, friend, are you freezing? How about a hug with a soft heating pad? You need a piece of faux fur for this idea. Cut off the excess. Fold it in half. Sew 2 adjacent sides manually. Turn the bag inside out. Take an awl and a bright ribbon. Make holes in the bent fabric. Pass the ribbon through them. Pour a few tablespoons of salt into a pan and heat it. Pour hot salt into the bag. An autumn heating pad is ready! It is so soft and warm! The best antifreeze therapy product, and no more brrr anymore! Do not rush to throw away an empty milk pack. Cut out a small window in the box. Next, take a few wooden sticks and cut them in half. Glue them to the cardboard base like this. Glue some more layers of wood on top. Each of them is shorter than the previous one. Glue them to the pack instead of the wooden roof. Cover the window with a golden braid. Decorate the house with golden leaves. Pierce a hole in the upper part of the package and pull the braid through it. Glue a small branch under the window. Not all birds fly to hot countries in autumn. We opened a fast food restaurant for those who stay. Tweet, tweet! Come here, little birds. It's time to eat. The favorite mug can't get warm either. It's literally shaking with the cold. Maybe a ball of sunny yarn will help it in this? Collect 6 loops on a crochet hook. Catch the thread and tie it through 2 extreme loops. Similarly, tie the whole row until there's only 1 loop left on the hook. Moving on to the second row, continue to knit with single crochet. Knit until you get a scarf the diameter of the mug. Make a loop and sew a button on the other side. Wrap the mug and fasten the button. Sew pockets for cookies to the belt. A little bit of effort and a family look for the brightest couple is ready. Your cup won't catch cold in such a warm scarf, and you'll enjoy your autumn tea even more. And hot tea no longer burns your hands. And now take a block of polymer clay and a rolling pin. Roll out the clay in such a thin piece. Cut off the rounded ends with a plastic knife. You get a small square detail. Cut another oblong block in half, first horizontally, then vertically. Roll it out. Cut off the edges and cut out an arch. Place the arch on top of the square piece. Roll out the stand and put the fireplace on it. Secure the structure with wire. Smooth the edges of the stand. Roll out and cut out the shelf. Glue it on top. Mold decorative curls from the rest of the clay. Decorate with them both the shelf and the support. Make a relief with a knife. Draw some bricks. Paint the fireplace carefully without touching the joints between the bricks. Paint the stand and the shelf and the decorative elements. Emphasize the joints with a white contour. Cut a semicircle part out of a tin can. Glue it to the fireplace. Throw the wood in and light a fire. Let's light this autumn up. Wow! It's as warm as a real big fireplace. Beautiful, aristocratic, and you can roast marshmallows. Hurry to bring the marshmallows. String them on skewers and roast them above the fire. The autumn evening has never been so cozy and tasty. That's what a real home feels like. Autumn is the time to take your socks. Only some of them are too boring. Get a palette with bright golden colors. Take a sponge brush and a maple leaf stencil. Apply the stencil to the socks and paint the sheet. Mix autumn colors without hesitation. The brighter and more colorful the result, the better. Do not limit yourself to maple leaves. You can use different stencils. Let the paint dry out and try it on. Plus 100 to comfort and good mood. Where are the other monochrome socks? They all urgently need tuning. For this idea, you need a wooden box with cutouts on the sides, a maple leaf, and golden spray paint. Put the leaf in the box and apply the spray paint on it. Remove the stencil. Write an inscription on the surface of the box with a simple pencil. Hello, Autumn! Use a thin brush to color the letters with gold paint. Gently draw one line after another. Draw the contours of the leaf. Coffee with cinnamon and aromatic delicacies are special autumn magic. And you won't be scared of no cold if you serve a drink on such a cozy tray. For this life hack, take a sheet of red Foamiran and scissors. Draw the contour of an apple with a marker. Cut it out and make one more. Next, cut out an apple slice and a leaf from beige and green Foamiran. Sew the halves of the apple on the edge, leaving a small hole. Embroider the veins on the leaf with stitches and the seeds on the slice. Put the workpiece together. Place a bag of aromatic herbs and spices inside the apple. Sew it up. Relax on your own or with friends. Aromatherapy is just what you need in cold weather. And now take a zip pack and your favorite flip-flops, which seem to have already served their purpose. Take the straps out of the flip-flops. Pour hot glue into the holes on the soles. Cut off the bottom of the zip pack. Attach the package to the sole plate. Carefully glue the joints and mask them with a ribbon. Use the hot glue gun nose to make a few holes in the upper part of the package. Pass one more ribbon through them and glue the edges. Voila! Now your feet are not afraid of even the heaviest rain. Let's call this invention Rain Flops. How do you like it? The favorite children's sweater. How to make sure that the memories associated with it are always near? Easy! Place the sweater on a flat surface. Cut off the sleeves and throat. Turn it inside out. Sew the bottom edge. Turn it to the front side. Measure a sleeve based on the size of your phone. Cut it off. Seal the case from below and sew it onto the sweater. Put the knitted pillowcase on a pillow. It turned out a sweater for a pillow with a comfortable pocket for your smartphone. I wonder if sleeping on this pillow is as sweet as when I was a kid. Did you like our autumn life hacks? How do you deal with the attacks of autumn depression? Write about it in the comments under the video. Put a like, subscribe to our channel, and tell your friends about it. Click on the bell to get notifications about new videos on Troom Select.